Earplugs and all, I heard snoring through my earplugs.
We had a snore man like right next door to us. Snorzilla was right next to us.
I think I was the snorer. People around me complain, but you know, what can I say? I sleep comfortably.
Porta Potty 7 was nice. That was, I don't know, had a lot of toilet paper. It was clean. It's always nice when you walk into a porta potty and it's just fresh blue water. I think so far that's been my favorite.
I was probably sneezing on people.
I was very tired, very cold. While I was in the shower, I heard a lady's voice, and then I heard another lady's voice saying, "No, this is the woman's shower." I waited it out until everybody left, so it was good.
I'm actually anticipating all the wonderful parts of the ride, the beauty, and the challenges, and the challenges of the ride.
We're stopping here, but it's really cold, and they want to get some fried artichokes to try and fill their belly with warmth before going on to the next stop. Moved over here after the rain got too intense.
Great group of people just opened their arms for me, so you know, have a nice little shelter here, so still continue to having a good time.
And we got Mylar blankets and this wonderful trash bag that I'm wearing as well. That's going to keep me nice and warm.
There's a lot of cheering going on, and I realized that this group can turn anything into a party.
What are we doing? I'm having a cocktail moment right now. I'm having my water, having an amazing time with great people. It's like ALC rain emergency response, I guess. Having a good time.
We don't need another hero. That's it. The Quadbuster is one long hill. You've seen all the other cyclists up ahead of you, and it's just a slow little trudge. Quadbuster, here we come.
Not afraid of anything anymore.
Goodbye.